Hello, my students. How are you? Grade 5. Today we'll complete exam from الدقهلية government. Exam number 4, okay? In the الدقهلية government. Question number 4. On the first day, Amira ran distance of 2.569 kilometer, and on the second day, she ran a distance 1.269 kilometer. What is the total of two distance in meters? We can collect together and then convert from kilometer to meter by product by 1000. Then the distance equal 1.269 into 2.569. 9 plus 9 equal 18. 8 and the carry of 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 6 13. 3 and the carry of 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 2 equal 8. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3.838 kilometer. You can convert from kilometer to meter by product by 1000. Move the point right hand side by 3 places. Write 3.838 by 1000. Write 3838. 3838 meter. Okay, we convert from kilometer to meter by product by 1000. Next question. A box of mango has a mass of 9 kilogram. So, what is the mass of 1000 boxes of the same kind? Okay, a box contains of 9 kilogram. And what is the mass of 1000 boxes? Okay, we can write 1000, the number of boxes 1000, and the weight of each one 9 kilograms. Then the total weight we can write 9 thousandths. 9 product by 1000 will be 9 thousandths. Okay, 9 thousandths kilogram. Next question. Rayhana put 1.8 liter bottle of water, from which she drank 9 liters. Find how many liters are left in the bottle. We can find the difference between together. Okay, right. 1.8, the total amount, subtract by 0.9, which they drank it. And then for 1, 8 minus 9, we can do it. So you must, for 1, it will be 18 minus 9 is 9. The result will be 9 tenths. So the result will be 9 tenths liter. Next question. If the price of pencil is 6 and 4 pounds, what is the price of 1000 pencils of the same type? We can predict the price of each one 6 and 4 pounds, and the number of pencils was 1000. We can move the point right hand side by 3 places, 6, 2, 5, and 0. The result will be 6250 pounds. Okay, the answer will be 6250 pounds. Okay, now we explain model number 5. Okay, 15.1.5 subtract by 0.75 equal. We can find the difference between two numbers here. Look at here, both steps. 1.5 subtract by 0.75. We can put 0 here and then find the difference between two numbers. 0 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 7, we can do it. 15 minus 7 equal 8. The result will be 85 hundredths. Next question. The number 11 has 2 factors because 11 is a prime number. Has 2 factors, right? 2. Next question. 1000 times 9 equal 9000. We must write 1000 in the place. Okay, 1000 here. Put 1000. Think of 27 and 4 liter, or if it has 17 and 15 liters of water, how many liters of water needed to fill the tank? We can find the difference between two numbers to find the empty part. Okay, right. 27 and 4 subtract by 17 and 15. We can find the difference. 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 7 0. 2 minus 1 equal 1. The result will be 10 and 10 hundredths liters. Next question. Choose the correct answer. 3.5 liters subtract by 1500 milliliter equal liter. Okay, we can convert from milliliter to liter by divided by 1000. Then the result here 3.5 liter subtract by 1.5 liter, because 1500 milliliter, it will be 1.5 liter. We can find the difference between together. 3 minus 1, 2, and half minus half 0, then the result will be 2 liter. Choose letter E. Next question. 123 divided by 10. We must put the point after one place, and the result will be 12.3. Next question. We can find the value of k here, but find the difference between two numbers. K equal 9.2 subtract by 4.7 and 1. Okay. In the value of k equal, put 0. 0 minus 1, we can do it. 1, it will be 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 1 minus 7, we can do it. 11 minus 7, 4. 8 minus 4 equal 4. The result will be 4.409. Next question. Here. Find the least common factor or least common multiplication between 6 and 15. Okay. We know 6 equivalent to by 3. And 15 equal 3 times 5. Then the greatest common factor between two numbers equal 3. 3 we call that greatest common factor, okay? And the least common multiples between two numbers, we can write 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Is the least common multiples between them equal 30. Next question. 15 and 15 hundredths. We have 15 where 15 and 15 hundredths. 15 and 15 hundredths. We have question letter D. 15 plus 1/10 plus 5 hundredths. It will be 15 and 1/10 and 5 hundredths. Choose letter D. Letter D is correct. 15 and 15 hundredths. Look at this question. 500 gram to kilogram, you must divide it by 1000, because 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. To convert from gram to kilogram, you divide it by 1000. 700 divided by 1000. We can cancel double 0 by double 0. 7 divided by 10, it will be 7 tenths. The answer here will be 7 tenths. Next question. He won't back to number and then approximate it to the nearest hundredths. We have 8.43 product by 0.2. This number we can product and then put the point after 3 places, because this number, it's meaning 843 over 100, and this number 2 over 10. Now we can product numerator by numerator and numerator by denominator. 10 times 100 is 1000. 2 times 3 6, and 2 times 4 equal 8, and 2 times 8 equals 16. And then put the point after 3 places, 1.6, 8, and 6. Now he won't approximate it to the nearest hundredths. Here 8. 6 can give 1 or not? Yes, 8 can give 6 can give 1 to 8, because 8 here or 6 we called it rich digits. His result will be 1.609. Next question. Heidi has a restaurant. She sold 301 kebabs in March. She sold 532 kebabs in April. She makes a kebab with 51 grams of meat. How many grams of meat did she use in March and April? Okay, we can collect together and product by 51. She sold 301 kebabs in March. Okay, she sold 532 kebab in April. If she makes kebab with 51 grams of meat, how many grams of meat did she use in March and April? We can collect together 301 and 532. Okay, it's the number of kebabs. Each one contains of 51 grams of meat. Product by 51. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0 equal 3. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Product by 51. And then we can product 833 by 51, like this. 833 product by 51. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 8 equal 8. Plus 100, 0. 3 times 5, 15. 5 and the carry up 1. 3 times 5, 15 plus 1 equals 16. 6 and the carry up 1. 5 times 8, 40. 40 plus 1 equal 41. And then you can collect together, okay? 0 plus 3 equal 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 and the carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And 0, right 4. 4, 2, 4, 8, 3. Okay, and the result will be 42,483 grams of meat. Okay, grams of meat. Understood? 301 it's meaning the number of kebabs. 301. The weight of each one 51. 301 times 51, and also 532 times 51 is equal together. You can use this method also to find the result. Increase the product here 75 by 23. We can use distributive properties like this: 75 product by 20 plus 3. And then write 75 product by 20 plus 75 product by 3. Write 0 and 2 times 5, 10, 0 and the carry of 1, 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 3 times 5, 15, 5 and the carry of 1, 3 times 5, 7, 21 plus 1 equal 22. 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, and write 1. The result will be 1,725. Next question, number letter B. If Suad has 1 and 275 kilograms of flour, she wants to make a chocolate for her children. If she cake needs 2 kilograms of flour, how many more flour does Suad needs? Okay, we can find the difference between together to find the amount which she need to do the cake. Okay, we can find the difference. 2 kilograms subtract by 1 and 275 thousandths. Right point and double 0, 3 zeros here. Bar 1, 0 minus 5, we can do it. Bar 1, it will be 1. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9, it will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. The result will be 725 kilogram. You can find the difference between together. Next question. Find the least common multiplication and high common factor between two numbers. We have 9 and 12. Look at here. 9 equals 3 by 3. And 12 equals 3 times 4. And 4 equals 2 times 2. Okay, and then find the same to find the greatest common factor between two numbers. The greatest common factor equals 3, and the least common multiplication between them, it will be product by all factors similar about first. Right, 3 and second 3 and 2 and 2. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. Then 36 is the least common multiplication between two numbers. Next question. Find the parameter of the shape. He give me the parameter was 13.5 and he won't find the value of x. We know the parameter of any polygon. We can find the outer sides. Okay, we can write 3.4 plus 4.7 plus 3 and 15 plus x equals 13.5. We can write x plus, we can collect together, write 0 and 0. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. Equals 13.5. We can find the value of x by find the difference. Right, 13.5 subtract by 11 and 25. Why? Because the parameter was 13.5 and we collect all sides equal 11. And 4 plus x equals 13.5. We can find x by find the difference between two numbers. X equal, we can write 0 here and find the difference. 5 minus 0, 5. Okay, similarly, and this subtrahend, okay. 0 minus 5, we can do it. So you must put 1 here. It will be 4 and this 9. 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then x will be 2 and 4. Then x will be 2 and 4 centimeter. Okay, so last question now about this quiz. Next time I will explain model number 6. Okay, all the time I will explain. You must study hard, my students. Okay, goodbye.